Jump packs as always. Never got a good battery in this joint. Well, this car is officially known as the Phoenix. It's a 72 Pontiac Granville. We burnt it in a movie, but we just burnt the insides out. So we've jerry-rigged it to run. Let's hope it still does. This is the point we get it to, go further. Unfortunately, it still needs the interior done, but it's going to a new road. So, just thought we'd pull it out, get it running for its transport tomorrow. So, it's actually a really unusual car, this. 455 big block, sold brand new in 72 in Las Vegas on Sahara Boulevard. It was used over here for years and years and years. The old number plate used to be V8 rag. Really interesting, lovely condition. 455 is a bit dusty, but still pretty good. They ran gas lines, propane gas lines through this and set a fire. And the fire came through here, and in the interior. And that's what happened to it. So, we bought it from the production company. We saved it. We repainted it this color, which is like it's not a mix actually, it's just a factory Toyota color, believe it or not. But when it's new, it actually gives it a bit of pop. Looks pretty good. Everything else is as it was. All it needs replacing now is the interior. So hopefully, the new owner is going to do that. He's going to put a new screen in, we put the rest of it together, and it'll be off to its new home. And of course, once we finish it, we'll go and we'll show you it completely done. But the color makes it look amazing. Really does. Really, really brings out the best in this car. Especially because it's so big. And the interior will be tan. We replaced these. It's still got the taillights to be done, but it's a long, long way closer to when we first got it. When we first got it, it was seriously burnt. The interior was bad, but of course, none of the heat, because it was just propane. We ran the propane through it. It didn't touch the rest of the bodywork. It just burnt the interior. It was fake, the fire. Well, not really. You can see the seat bottom is still perfect. But unfortunately, the front seats and the top was really bad. So, and the dash, of course, dash sitting on there is a 72 Cadillac. So, basically, hopefully, a whole new interior will be bought and the rest of the car will go back together again.